Redmi Note 13 Pro review. When it comes to smartphones, Xiaomi's Redmi lineup has always been known for delivering exceptional value at affordable prices, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro is no exception. Released as part of Xiaomi's new series, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is a testament to how much flagship features and performance can be packed into a mid-range device. Over the next few minutes, we'll dive into the aspects that make this phone stand out, from its design to its performance, camera quality, and more. Design and build quality first impressions are crucial, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro does not disappoint. The phone boasts a sleek and modern design, with a glass front and back, complemented by a sturdy aluminum frame. The materials used give it a premium feel, something that's often missing in mid-range devices. Available in a variety of colors, from classic black to vibrant blue, it caters to a wide range of tastes. The device is fairly slim at 8mm thickness and weighs just around 193 grams, making it comfortable to hold and use with one hand. The edges are slightly curved, ensuring that it sits snugly in your palm, while the matte finish on the back minimizes fingerprints and smudges. A small but significant detail. One standout feature is the IP53 rating for dust and splash resistance, which adds an extra layer of durability. While it's not fully waterproof, this protection is a welcome addition, especially in a phone at this price point. Display. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 13 Pro features a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels FHD+. The display is sharp, vibrant, and bright, with excellent color accuracy. It's perfect for consuming media, whether you're watching videos, scrolling through photos, or playing games. One of the key highlights is the 120Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and a more responsive touch experience. This feature is typically found in more expensive devices, so its inclusion here adds tremendous value. The display also supports HDR10+, offering deeper blacks and brighter highlights, making it a joy to watch HDR content on streaming platforms like Netflix. The peak brightness of 1200 nits means the screen is easily viewable even in direct sunlight, and the Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection ensures durability against minor drops and scratches. Performance. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 13 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This combination makes for a powerful and efficient device, capable of handling everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're multitasking between apps, browsing the web, or engaging in heavy gaming sessions, the phone performs without any noticeable lag or stutter. For gamers, the Adreno 640 for GPU ensures that graphics-intensive games run smoothly, with high frame rates and impressive visual detail. The phone also stays relatively cool during prolonged use, thanks to an efficient cooling system that prevents overheating. On the software front, the device runs on MIUI 14 based on Android 13, which offers a clean and customizable user interface. Xiaomi has done an excellent job of optimizing the software to make the most of the hardware. There are also plenty of features, such as a customizable always-on display, gesture controls, and a robust theme engine, allowing users to personalize their experience. Camera. The camera setup is another area where the Redmi Note 13 Pro shines. The phone is equipped with a versatile quad camera system, headlined by a 108MP primary sensor. This high-resolution camera captures stunningly detailed photos with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. Even in low-light conditions, the camera performs admirably thanks to the large f1.9 aperture and advanced AI algorithms that enhance image quality. In addition to the main camera, There's an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, which is perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. The 5MP macro lens allows for impressive close-up shots, revealing details that are often missed by the naked eye. Finally, the 2MP depth sensor aids in producing beautiful portrait shots with accurate edge detection and natural-looking bokeh. On the front, there's a 16MP selfie camera housed in a punch hole cutout. It captures sharp and clear selfies, with a variety of beautification features and filters to enhance your photos. Video recording capabilities are robust as well, with the phone supporting 4000 video at 30fps and 180p at 60fps. The electronic image stabilization ace helps in producing smooth and steady footage, even when you're on the move. Battery life. Battery life is another strong suit of the Redmi Note 13 Pro. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of moderate to heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or browsing social media, the phone keeps going without the need to constantly reach for the charger. When it does come time to recharge, the 67W fast charging support is a lifesaver. Xiaomi claims that the phone can go from 0 to 100% in just about 40 minutes, which is impressive. There's also 30 West wireless charging, a feature that's typically reserved for higher-end models, adding more convenience to the charging experience. Connectivity and additional features. In terms of connectivity, the Redmi Note 13 Pro covers all the bases. It supports 5G, ensuring you're future-proofed as networks continue to roll out globally. There's also dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC for contactless payments, and an IR blaster, a feature that's becoming increasingly rare but is still handy for controlling household appliances. The phone also comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button, which is fast and reliable. The stereo speakers provide excellent sound quality, with Dolby Atmos support delivering a rich and immersive audio experience, whether you're watching movies or listening to music. Conclusion: the Redmi Note 13 Pro is a standout device in the mid-range smartphone market. It offers a well-rounded package that includes premium design, a stunning 120Hz AMOLED display, robust performance, versatile cameras, and long battery life, all at a price that's hard to beat. Xiaomi has once again proven that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a smartphone that excels in nearly every aspect. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is an easy recommendation for anyone looking for a reliable, feature-packed phone without breaking the bank.